Hi and welcome. In this video, I want to show you how integrations work in Connectel and why they are at the very heart of our platform. From day one, we designed Connectel around one core idea, making integrations incredibly easy to get started with while still supporting deeply advanced use cases when you need them. Whenever you want to make a simple connection or a fully automated end-to-end workflow, Connectel gives you the flexibility to build exactly what your business needs. So why do integrations matter? First, better customer experiences. When systems are connected, agents automatically get the right information at the right time without searching or switching tools. Second, higher efficiency. Integrations reduce manual workflow, copy and paste, repetitive tasks, allowing your team to focus on what actually creates value. And third, smarter decisions. When data flows freely between systems, it becomes actionable, improving service quality instantly. We see many customers using Connectel as their core workspace. When agents can work almost entirely inside one platform instead of jumping between different systems, that gives a lot of values for the end users. This creates a smoother and more enjoyable agent experience. It lowers the handling time when you can manage everything inside Connectel, and it gives the agents the tools they need to deliver outstanding service. Integrations also unlock new opportunities for your end customers. By connecting your systems, you can offer self-service, even outside your opening hours, reducing workload while increasing convenience. So what kind of integrations options do we have and offer in Connectel? Let's take a look at the different integrations options in Connectel. And we will go through from very easy integrations that you very quick can get started with to the more advanced integrations that can support very, very advanced workflows. So first, Iframe. So we have the option in Connectel where you can iframe content, meaning you can embed content from other systems into Connectel, meaning the agents can have everything in one system. So for example, the space we see here on the right-hand side, here you can embed other content so the agents can, for example, find information in other systems when they are inside Connectel. They can also open it up in a full screen. So this is the iframe option that allows you to embed content from external systems into Connectel. And it's super easy. You just create an iframe and you share it with your team, and then the team can access that content. So the iframe option, it's an easy integration. It's extremely fast to set up. It gives your agents all the tools inside one place, inside Connectel, and it significantly reduces the system switching when agents need to jump and switch between different systems. So that's perfect when you want quick value with minimal setup. So to set it up, you can go to statistics, you can create a new dashboard. When you have a dashboard, you add a widget, you select a new widget, and you use the iframe option here. And when you add the iframe option, you need to add the source, which is the URL of the system. So to give you an example here, I will embed our own web page. As you can see here, you will get the preview and then you save it. And then you will have this iframe option and you can customize it according to the size that you want. And then once this is done, you can also go back here. And as I mentioned, you can also add it here by just adding the iframe widget like this. And then you can add it. And then you can use it on the right-hand side, as you see here. So very, very easy, but can give a lot of value. So that is the iframe option. The next option that I want to go through that is also very good is the Open Browser tab. So it means that you can create a trigger that will automatically open up a URL in a browser tab when a workflow is triggered inside Connectel. That is very, very good. So let's say if you want to open up an external system when a call or email comes in, or when a certain trigger or a scenario is met in Connectel, that can be done with the Open Browser tab integration. So it can be customer card in a CRM system, an order in your order management system, or anything. You just create the trigger and you trigger the URL. And I will show you how you do that. You go into an existing journey, or you create a new journey. And I will show you how you can do that. So when you have a journey, you can, from here, you can use the Open Browser tab card or feature. And then you add a URL here and then save. And then you can use all the features and functionality that we have inside our journey, where you build all your workflows, and you can trigger this according to your needs. Really, really good with the Open Browser tab option. The next integration that I want to cover is the REST request. So it is slightly deeper integration, and we offer the REST request capability from our journey, that is our workflow builder. So this allows Connectel to send data to external systems, and we can also receive responses, and we can chain multiple actions together in a powerful workflow, basically. It's ideal when you want true two-way communication between Connectel and other platforms. So I'll also show you that. So we go into the journey, and inside the journey, we have the capability here to use the REST request. And in the REST request, you can configure the URL. You have different options here with variables and fields and parameters and headers and so on. So you set up everything up here, and it gives you endless possibilities with the REST requests. And you can use them in the journey builder. So that means that you can trigger this in any scenario, any use case, basically in Connectel. So that is the REST request. The next thing I want to cover is also our API. So we provide a full Connectel API. With API, you can push data into Connectel, you can fetch data in real time, you can trigger actions, you can build your own extensions. So common use case for this can be anything from, let's say, if you want to initiate a call from your own system, a CRM system or ERP or order system, or if you want to sync customer and data or automate things in Connectel, you can use our API. And our API is available when you go to the docs page. So it's docs.connectel.app. So here you have the documentation, and you also have some examples how to get started with the API and how everything is working. So this is really, really good. So the API is available for you. You just need to create API user and configure the user with the correct permissions, and then you create an API key in Connectel as well. So that is how you can get started with API. The next integration option is our cloud functions, and that gives you advanced and I would say unlimited options when it comes to integrations. It's the most powerful integration that we have inside Connectel. It allows you to create and run custom code inside Connectel. That enables advanced bi-directional integrations. So this is basically where you can handle complex data transformations, real-time updates, intelligent routing, and custom business logic triggered by events in the platform. So if you need maximum control and flexibility, and you want to go very, very deep in the integrations, we have our cloud functions that allows you to write custom code and trigger that inside Connectel. So it's a very, very good feature, and once again, it gives you endless possibilities when it comes to integrations. So with that said, integrations is at the very heart of the Connectel platform, and we allow and offer you several different options when it comes to integrations. From very easy to get started with, it takes like a couple of seconds to get started with our most easy integrations, to go all the way up to very advanced where you can do anything. So integrations are very, very important, and it gives you a lot of possibilities. So start simple, grow advanced, and build exactly the workflows your business needs. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore what's possible with the Connectel integrations. Bye.